So this is my 9th ride on my Brompton, starting off on St. Lambert, and as you can see, construction is everywhere in Montreal area, but I guess these things have to get done. Love lilacs. There we go. Big truck's waiting for us. Beautiful. There we go. Bridge is going up, so we're gonna have to wait. Cool. He's taking out a lesson. We're at the Recreo Park and have camping here. Pitch your tent here on the platforms. Another one. Perfect for sitting around.
You know the spacey
Look at that. I don't think we're lucky today. The bridge is up again. So I guess we're taking the 1 minute in, which is nice. Well, at least we have a little bit of a tailwind. This is a different looking vessel. Oh, it's being pushed. Maybe it's just the barge. It's being pushed by a tugboat. These fellas are putting down this green. Maybe they're trying to grow some grass here. Portable toilets everywhere. You gotta love that. Never gets boring here. Never gets tiring to see this. Yep. There's that monument to the old bridge. What's already up? We're at Victoria Bridge crossing, and we have to wait for the same boat we waited for before. Captain Henry Jackman.